We are here with Carlos Yulo. Kaloy, thank you so much for the opportunity. So, 5 questions for our double gold medalist, the Golden Boy. Kaloy, kamusta naman ang 2026 mo so far?
Okay naman po. Last week, kakauwi ko lang from Japan. May club po, nung nagte-training pa po ako doon. In-invite po nila ako for competition. So, I went there for training camp and competition. And it really went well po. Kahit na may sakit ako at that time. Pero yeah, thank you Lord na I'm safe. And nagawa ko pa din po yung performance ko.
Wow, what was your sickness during that time?
Feeling ko tinrangkaso po ako.
Okay, just
Yes
the
po.
flu.
Yes po.
Okay. Alright, so for my next question, ano naman ang mga immediate goals mo for the year 2026?
Um, Nakikita ko po talaga yung Asian Games. Ina-eye ko po talaga siya since yung first Asian Games ko was 2018 and gusto ko bumawi po kasi first time ko nun and wala pang masyadong experience. And hindi naging maganda yung result ko po at that time. Pero I'm really excited po and really looking forward na ipakita yung mga iti-training ko po.
I know it's still far, pero syempre, 2028 Olympics in LA, is it already on your mind? Nagsimula na ba yung preparations mo even though it's so many years from now?
Yes po, actually nag-start na po siya last year. Yung goal setting ko po, inunahan ko na and minake sure ko na preparado po akong pupunta doon. Especially yung mindset ko po. After winning kasi, like, medyo napatanong din ako sa sarili ko kung ano bang gusto ko. Gusto ko ba talaga na mag-go through ulit sa ganong preparation kasi it was really hard to prepare po and to compete ng ganun katahas na level po So, yeah, I'm really ready and I'm really excited po.
When you made history in Paris, syempre pinag-uusapan lahat ng mga incentives that you earned because of being a double gold medalist. Ano yung pinaka-importanting investment na ginawa mo with those incentives that you got?
Investment po sa sarili po. Like, really, yung comfort plus yung pagtingin ko sa health ko. Kasi mahirap din kapag hindi mo siya tinitingnan, especially yung health. Number one priority ng athlete talaga yung body talaga po So, dun ko po nilalaan yung oras, yung money na napanalunan ko po. Especially experience also. Ginawa ko yung mga bagay na hindi ko nagagawa before, like travel po. Yung travel na bakasyon talaga. Kasi nagpupunta po ako ng other countries to compete pero hindi to enjoy or mag-take time na maka-go around po. So, ayun po yung mga investment ko para sa sarili ko po.
So for the last question, Carlos, tomorrow is a very important day. It's Valentine's Day. Ano ba ang plano natin for tomorrow?
Tomorrow po, we're going to um, Pampanga. It's gonna be a celebration po also ng birthday ka. Advance celebration.
When's your
Yeah.
birthday?
February 16 po.
Oh, okay. 2 days after
Yeah.
Valentine's Day pala.
Yes po, it's a leisure thing po.
So advance happy birthday.
Thank you so much po.
Carlos, thank you so much for the time.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.